Testing, testing, testing. Quick little test. Cool bean. All right. Let me get a thumbnail started. Got some work to do today. Where? Okay, here, let's open this up. Let's do a different thumbnail today. Episode 30. There, I muted myself. Mistake. Export. Cool. Confirm the export. Close out of here. Exit out there. Let's go here. Open up a new tab. Go into channel. Manage. Live. Details, thumbnail, change, that appeared, episode 30. Cool deal. So save that. Did it save it? Looks like it. If I were to bring this over. Yeah, episode 30, The Fate of Neuwolf, Christian anime game development. Nice. The resolution is garbage though. It's probably because I'm using the snipping tool. Need to find a way to get better resolution screenshots. I should probably full screen the game before taking the screenshot. We'll figure that out next time. Okay, cool. Okay, so what I want to do today is, let's start by adding Oh no. Okay, no, actually, let's start by opening up my video RPG Maker game. Because I don't remember whether I had a name for the monster zombie guy. If I can find where that's at, under documents maybe. Here, and I'm gonna open this up. And I'll open it right up here in the same browser. Oh no. Okay, I failed. Gotta be quick. There. Because I put it to auto full screen. Okay, there we go. Now we're continuing tree maybe. Oh, sorry. Here we go. Let's see if he had a name. It's literally his monster. Let me see if I can come up with some cool name. Let's brainstorm. Let's pull up. Let's get him. Okay, how do I want to do this? I do need to bring up this, and I need to bring up a a couple things I need to bring up here. I have a where did I say that? Here maybe, here, and here. Open with. Oh, I can't do an open with. New window. Open folder. Copy, paste this project. Yeah, and then this should be linked to my GitHub. Right. Now. What would be a good name? Let's see, let me think. I don't want him to be without a name, I don't think. You should name him something other than monster. But we can always change it later to anonymous, but he should have a name somewhere, you know. So where is all my stuff at? String. So that's a clean row, that's a clean row. We got 3 clean rows. Very nice. Okay, so boom. We got boom, boom, clean row, boom, clean row, boom, clean row. Okay, there. Did I do a PNG? I did a PNG export on this guy. Here. Let me think. Something up. Let's see. Veil. Ooh, wonder what does 1,000 mean? What's it if we did something like 1,000 mouths in Latin or something? What is Latin? What is this in Latin? 1,000 mouths. Mille is 1,000 ora. Milleora. Milleora. That doesn't sound ominous. Ora mille. If we reverse the order, ora mille. I'm not sure. What's the 100 in Latin? We have like something that starts with a K. What is a Latin number starting with K? Oh, they don't have any. Kawaraxora. No. K. Car. What's eyes in Latin? Oculi. Hold up. What if we did like something like if we combine the word for devour and eye, a devouring eye, that kind of fits well. Oculus vorax. Ocuvorax. Vorocu. Corax. Corax. We just go Corax. Think so. Might just go with that. What about Corax? Cadro? What? Corax. What about Kaiser? 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 Kaiser. 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 Which just means emperor, I think. Yeah, let's go with that. Yeah, I. Wow. Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, let's go with that. Kaiser. 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 In English, you pronounce it like what? Kaiser? Kaiser? Yeah, Kaiser. Can we change it? Kaiser. Like, give it a harsher ending. Kaisa. Kaish. No. Kaiora. 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 What about Kaiora? That one? Kaiora. No, Kaiser. Let's go with Kaiser. Yeah, let's go with Kaiser, bro. Let's stick with that. Okay, so I need to add this file. How shall we do this? I need to find my PNG, which is right here. I will add it. Under art, I'll copy this. I'll rename it Kaiser. Now I need to find MP4. Which is illustration 62, I believe. No, it's something else, apparently. What illustration number could it have been? Really? This is a bit bothersome. Where could it be? I don't think I renamed it either, so. Oh, 62 here. We had another 62 though. Whatever. I don't know. Okay, copy, rename. Kaiser. Cool. What? Let me get the timestamp. What date was this drawn? Date did I draw this? Properties. October 10, 2025. Really? I did a lot of stuff that day, huh? Must have been a real productive day. Oh. Yep, it is clear, it says. Clear as day, clear as day. So we'll get that updated locally first. Then we'll push it out. That's not very cool. Why is it looking like this over here? Okay. Yo, bro needs to take up more of the frame. I'm pretty sure yeah, we need to fix that. I don't know. That needs to. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Did it get even smaller? Because that is hilarious. That would be hilarious. But somehow ended up getting smaller. And why is it here? I would want it to be towards the end. Let's see if we can fix that. Very nice. Okay. 3. Fix that up a bit. Wunderbar. The layer is. Okay. No, this just. This got a bit worse now. Okay, this turned out not as we wanted. Or, let me think. Yeah, no. Okay, I think we fixed it. Let me hold up. Yo. Do I have to hard refresh on this page? Okay, this is not the right preview though. Why is it lying to me? Okay. Okay, come on, dude. See if we can fix this up real quick. I can't believe I've been speaking again on mute. I always do that. Okay, this is compared to game programming, this just HTML, CSS changes such a breeze, such a refresh. What do you call it? Breath of fresh air. Such a good change of pace. Oh, finally something my eyes doesn't have to strain itself at. Okay. Okay, let me commit advertiser. Yeah. And let's push that. Yeah. Now I gotta log on to my server. Hosting the website. So let me figure out. It's been a minute since I did this. Let me see if I remember. Yeah. Let me see. I think it's. Let me make sure I get it right. Oh, okay, I gotcha. So it's this and then that. Okay. Let me open this up. And then it's this, and then it's gonna be this, this, followed by this, followed by. Where did I save it? Oh, wait, we pat. No, come on, I just. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, slash there. And now it should let me in, right? No. Shoot. Why am I getting denied from my own server, dude? What did I do wrong? Could it be this? No. I don't even remember. Shoot. It could be this, possibly. Let's try this. Did I? Okay, yeah. Okay. Phew. That was the username I forgot. There we go. Just trying to log in without the username. Unbelievable. So while I'm here, let me see. Let's do this. Okay, so we can close the local or minimize it. Now let's. Can we? Oh shoot. Really? Okay, let me think. What I need to do is let's see. I think, yeah, okay, I have to log in. I think I might need to. Okay, just a moment. Let me log in. Can I just... Oh, nice, okay. Oh, it auto-signed me in and everything. That's kind of crazy. Crazy good. I mean, duh. Kidding. Okay. So I think I can show. Okay, I can show screen now. Okay. What I might have to do though is I think I have to update my stuff. No, I think it's not gonna let me. Yeah. Yeah, shoot. Okay. I gotta actually update my stuff, otherwise it's gonna complain. Well, where's that? Okay, why would I have said that? Under... not here, right? No. No. Under my repos, maybe? And then under here somewhere? No, under, maybe somewhere under my repo, and then... No. Okay. Where do I go to see? Okay, dude. Profile maybe? No. Settings. Okay. Where? Let's see my. Okay, setting. Oh, settings, developer. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, gotcha. Oh, yeah, so it's expired. What? Why does this say never used though? That's not true. Unless... Okay, hold up. What's my password? Nope, nope, nope. Really? Okay. Gonna have to do a new password. 1 second. Okay, think might be okay. Let's see. See if this takes that. But is this the right? Let's read the thing. Yeah, well, let's try it and see. I mean, it can't hurt, right? Okay, that seemed to work. Okay, let's see. Yeah, please do that. If I refresh the page, ta-da! Okay, so we've updated the art page of possibleanime.com successfully. Looks a bit different now, but that's okay. That's all on purpose. I might change it again in the future if we can think of a better design. The main point is we got Kaiser in there now, which is pretty sick. Cool. And run on October 10th. See, yeah, there's a lot here that can be improved, but we got an outline. Yep. Now, I did want to check one thing before I log out from my server here. Because I did receive a message that I needed to verify. Okay. But let's update our stuff here so this is easier to update in the future. For me, at least. Okay, I can close out my local, right? Yeah, that's fine. The fix to the remaining videos to do item says what? Okay. The fix to the missing videos to do item. The fix to the missing videos to do item video. Oh. You don't even know this. Probation. Oh yeah, some of the videos are missing, that's okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna have to actually go in and upload those at some point. But I wanted to check before I log out. Continue here. Let me see, because I did not do anything, so just want to check on that. it could be. Well, hopefully we can sort this out real quick. Hopefully it's nothing bad. Yep. Hope everyone's night's going good. If you're here or not watching, hope everyone's night's going well. Tonight's a rare weekday stream because we have work tomorrow early morning, so it's a rare weekday stream. So, what's the dealio? Okay, do you want to proceed? Yes, I do. I want to proceed all the way. It's been a while since I drew this. When did I draw this? Huh? Oh, I didn't. I need to fix that at some point. Need to make the control and stuff a bit smoother if we can. Oh. Okay, hold up. Let me see. I can see right now. Same as before. Okay, so we're good. It looks like nothing has changed. Yes. Clean. Okay. Alright. Nice. Okay, hold up. Imagine. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Yeah, it could be something like that. Oh. No, we're good. Okay. We're good. So we got Kaiser up in here. So let me exit. Okay, we can get out of. Well, okay. Actually, while that's up, I need to. We basically need a 3D model of this. Character for the game. And I have to create a live 2D of him. I just have a PNG sprite, so I gotta make a live 2D animation. Maybe this weekend, or well, no. We'll just keep the static one for now. We can make that at a later point. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Here we go. Here we go, Zoe. I mean, this looks kind of cool. What I wanted to do was... I'm gonna get several stuff up here. Close out that, just keep one of these open. All right. Let me see if this or this is that. Can we do this? This would be cool, huh? Oh, this would be real cool. Okay, I've got several stuff going on right now. Let's download this. Let's do... Oh, okay. I guess... Hold up. Because we got a few options here. We got a few options to work with. Well, I'm thinking it's either this one or this one. It's not this one. Oh yeah, it's definitely that one. Let's go with this one and let's do this. Let us change this. Let us change that. Boom. Bam. Okay, do this, do this, do this, do that. Let's put it at... Let's keep it there. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, I was doing something else too. Okay, open up Blender. Okay, where is my downloads folder? Drop this character in here. Unzip this folder. I haven't really worked with FBX before. Why does... Oh, I need to... Hello? Why did I have to zoom in so much? So much. Can I... Okay, and then if I have it, look for the textures. How? Where would that be? External data, find missing files, downloads, and then we have it look inside of the extracted folder, find. No. Okay. Really? Okay. Okay, so some of the stuff's still missing, so it's not gonna... That's okay. This is like a bonus. This character doesn't show up until later. But this will be so cool. Can I just do one at a time and see how it turns out? No. What if I invent this missing file? what's it called? Okay, what if I do this for now? Just as a... Whoa, hold up. Yo, wait a minute. Yo, hold up, wait a minute. This is cool. Okay. I think we nuked the lighting, so it's a bit... No. Okay, yo. Oh. This is so cool. We need to find someone to rig this, like, properly and whatnot. Like, actually rigging this would be dope. Let's say the only thing is, wait, can I add a light source here? Because I think the light will do it for the hair. And this, I think. Dude, my blender. Okay, scales is light. Sun. Let's do a sun. Where did the sun go? Oh, and then I think I have to actually go into render this to have any. Okay, why does the sun not have any actual strength to it? Strength increase, there we go. No, come on. we have to let our engine handle it, because this blender stuff does not. We can do it way better in our engine. Maybe change the color. Oh, yeah. I think this is the play. Oh, I'm feeling this. Oh yeah. So we'll do our own lighting. The engine, we'll have it like apply like a yellowish lighting, which kind of gets the hair, the shading and everything that what we're looking for without making it too strong. And that actually is pretty good, yeah. So I think the only thing I need to do is what? There's like a couple things. No, I think it's good where it's at. Let me. Okay, oh, okay. On a different note, I think I have my monster model. I think I got my monster model. Let me see if I can get that up on screen. Got a couple different models going here. Let's see. Export. Now what I was doing with this was there's a Okay, we got the hair. I want to see the texture on the hair is currently this. I wonder if we can modify some of this. Okay, let me pull up a new blender. Yep. There's a new update. Let's... Oh, that's for Blender Kit. Let me see. Actually, though. Oh, why is it named like that? That's not a... It's not a... Well, whatever. Okay. Now we gotta actually, though... Kaiser, we gotta actually do... What's it called? Reduce his topology. Or his triangle count, sorry. Bro's triangle count is way too high. I was thinking, okay, so shading. How do you, okay, cool. So if I change the texture to the hair. So it gets the color from here. Could we... Well, okay, we made the hair metallic. I don't know if that was... I don't think that's what we wanted to do. But it gave it a cool thing. Definitely not what we wanted to do. Yeah, let's... Can I add in a color, like input, color, and a color wheel? An actual just No, this is really cool. We'll mess with that another day and probably show it on stream one day, but that's really cool. I got, for like my main character models right now, at least, the main character models, at least one of them so far, I actually commissioned a really cool 3D artist for the 3D model. Not for the other 3D models though. Maybe once at some point I'll do that, but it is expensive to hire someone for like 3D modeling. What's it called? Or maybe at some point I'll learn. Maybe I'll just learn to do 3D modeling and do the rest of the characters. I already do the 2D art for the characters, so I tried doing 3D modeling characters at some point, but it's literally just need like way more practice. Let's see if we can clean this up a bit. Okay, so start off by going to mesh, merge by distance, merge by distance. You want to do clean up, delete loose. Okay. Now there's a lot of, I'd say the most important geometry is going to be the face, so let's see if we can separate out a lot of this and then decimate it. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, no, this will be cool. This will be cool. What I wanted to do was what exactly? Okay, hold up. I'm like several. I got like 3 monitors up and working on several stuff here. Okay. Yeah, right. Let's work on this. Right. How much we got? 82,000. Feel like we can do an entire backside here. So this. Okay, then we're gonna click on P. Click on P. By separate by selection. Z material preview. Let's decimate this first. Generate from modifier. Go to decimate. Let's start with. We're down about 14k. Oops. I was muted again. If you start seeing a triangles poking out and holes in the thing, either you're going too hard with the decimate, or you didn't clean up the topology by going into merge and by distance and then clean up and delete loose, which would cause those two things to happen. We were at 40, 34, 24. 24 is doable. We'll do that and now we'll merge or join. That's a good deal right there. Let me check my, make sure I haven't. Yeah, I did open it. Okay. And the second thing I was gonna do, check this. Alright, 25k is pretty good. Let's see. Enemy. This is an NPC for now. Kaiser. Okay, so let me see. Let me see. So, let me see. I need to now build my solution. Well, I guess if I ever wanted him as an enemy, I'll just spawn him as an enemy in the enemy form again. That works. Oh, shoot. Wait. Well, let's save it. And then let's add some animations after. We need to save this exported as an FBX. But here is the dealio from the Relio himself. Okay. I built it, but it's not showing up. Why? Now get off topic. Um, maybe did I build? Oh wait, hold up. I didn't export it. The export. Okay, let me export the FBX at the same time. Put that in the downloads folder. Okay, let me close this out. Let me drag this over here. Let me do a couple things here and there. What else do I need to do? I need to... Next thing I need to do immediately is we need to go here, delete this. That's not needed anymore. Go here. No, here. Then I need to delete what? Get rid of all this garbage. Get rid of all this garbage. I need to get rid of all this garbage. You know? You know? Not gonna lie, a bunch of garbage. Okay. How can we... Can I edit this? It always does that. Which is not the cool. Which is not the cool. But maybe... Hold on, maybe that's just how it's gotta be. If you think about it. Otherwise it's gonna be a bit weird. Why do we have several of these? So I think this is fine. Otherwise it's gonna be a bit flat, which flat is not matte. Flat. No, you know what I'm saying though? Because that's kind of what I'm saying. Listen up, yo. I can close this out. I don't need that anymore. Let's do some organization. Okay, add Kaiser, blend file, or add Kaiser NPC. Boom. Let me commit. Let's get some. Shoot. Let's get some animations up on this guy, hey? Let's get some animations up on this guy, hey? Let's go to the best place there is to get animations, yo. Real simple stuff. Real simple stuff. Let me upload it first before I drag it over here. Okay. Cool. See what we can get. Let's start simple. We'll eventually add more animations to him later because he plays a more active role, but let's just get some basic stuff. Yep, that is him. The chin. His chin kind of melts into his body, which is kind of tough. How do you even deal with this? Dude's knees are right here, his groin is right up here. Right there. Symmetry, please. Symmetrize it, please. Symmetrize it, please. Yes, please do symmetrize it. Guys. Okay, cool. That's a good rig. Let's add some animations. Let's do an idol. Let's do like a scary idol. Huh? There's gotta be like a scary idol. Happy idol. Happy idol. Let's do the happy. Cause just cause bro's scary, anything is gonna look menacing. Okay, now check this out, yo. Hold up. Here, if there's 26 of you guys watching on YouTube, please like the stream and subscribe if you want to see more streams of the game development. Appreciate it, thank you. So please subscribe and like. Thank you to the guy who already liked it. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. I didn't even notice that. Somebody already liked it. Awesome. Now we just need the rest to do the same. Alright. Cool deal. So, I think we'll go with this one, honestly. It's wonky, but it is. With this character, anything works, I think. Anything is scary with this guy. Yeah, let's do it. Let's take this one. Now, the total frames, I wonder... Yeah. If you don't trim anything. If you don't trim anything, bro just keeps on going. Yeah. Let's do a walk and then a run. Nah. Hold up, yo. Nah, that's crazy. Bro just lost all his scariness. Nah, that was never meant to be seen. This one too, bro just lost all his aura. His monster aura just disappeared. Okay, erase this from your memory. So now you're not gonna be terrified at all from this guy. Do not. Just imagine you didn't see that. Or that. What in the world, bro? Are you serious? Okay, kinda. Maybe. Maybe. Yo, this one kinda. Let me download that one. We might take this one. Nope. Nah. Nope. What? Nah. Yo, what is this? Bro's drunk. Bro is a drunk. Nope, 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 nope. Not doing that. Not doing that. Definitely not. Mutant Woken. I don't know. I think I kind of liked the first one we had over this one. It's kind of similar, so I guess it's fair. This one, the arms stay out more to the side. Actually, I like this one more. Let's go with this one. Let me delete the other one so I don't accidentally confuse my mind. Okay. I want to also do a run. Do they have a mutant run? Because we might just take that then. Yeah, they do. But that's so whack. That is actually kind of whack. Please, dog, what is this? Nah, after his aura scene, bro, just imagine bro just runs away like this. After he just murders an entire bro murders an entire village. You see him running away like this? Nah, dude, that's negative aura right there. Lose any credibility. That's crazy. Okay. Okay, that's a bit better. It's either that one or this one. Fast run seems... Yeah, fast run is like always good. Let's do that. And then... some attack. Or hit or something. Nope, it's not necessary. I feel like this one's kind of okay. Yeah, let's do that one. It's basic. Yo, chill, yo. Okay, hold up. That's kind of good. And we can kind of combine these later on too if we wanted to. Which that would be pretty good, right? That would be pretty good. Did I download this? I don't remember. I did, okay. What else do we need? We need a hit reaction. Yeah. Boo. Just gotta chill. Just gotta chill, chili con carne. Bro, who gets hit and reacts like this? That's my question. Okay. Okay, this... Maybe this one. I like this one. What else? What else could we need? A set? A set's kinda crazy. I don't think a set's needed. Okay. Whoopsie doo. Him. Hum him. Bro, come on. Okay. What's a good one? Would he need dodge? Let's see. We can add it. Well, I don't want to. Nah, if he needs anything else, we'll add it later. For now, let's actually add them. And why is he named Kaiser01? Come on, dude. Why? Why did... See... Already... already... Weird stuff, Sam. Okay, anyway. We want to do idle first. That's a good starting one. So let's import it. Rename the animation to idle. Let's see, what do I do? You gotta then delete this mesh. Then left click your original mesh, shift left click the armature, and control P, and then armature deform with automatic weights. Bam! Bro, check that out. And you can hide the armature if you want. And then you need to go to animation. You have to make the armature visible. Click the armature, go into nonlinear animation, click idle. Make sure it's set to the armature, push down action. There you go. yeah, this is it. This is actually it. This is the method, yo. Okay, let's do a walking one. So let's import. Let's you rename the animation. Walk. Delete the whole thing now. Let me just do everything before I add it now. Add in fast run. So this is gonna be run. I'm just going, instead of doing them one by one, I'll just add them. Okay, we're gonna do, this is attack. He'll have 2 attack types, so we'll just name it attack 1. We can always change it. Attack 1 and attack 2. Attack 2. Delete. Head hit. What's this? I think this is the reaction. Hit reaction. So let's name it hit reaction. Hit reaction. Delete. Okay. So we got hit reaction, attack 1 and 2, run, walking, idle. Oh, that's it? Okay. So he does need a that animation. That spoilers. JK. Everyone needs that animation. Cause time is inevitable, isn't it? Isn't it? Comes for all of us. Time. Okay, now which one do we want to go with? One where he falls backwards, I feel like. That's kind of dope. And then we name it, I think, just that. So yeah. So, oh, bro's already lying down. That. Oh, okay, I gotta click enter, apparently. Okay, now let's go to animation, click on the no action, select walk, select the armature, push it down, and now rinse and repeat for the rest. Let's do run. Okay, already selected. Let's do, we got idle, walk, and run. We got attack 1, push down, attack 2, push it down. We got hit reaction, push it down, and we got, what else? That. Bam. Push it down. Let's play the last one. Bro, I mean, look at that. My experience and practice is paying off with this. Let's go. Let me export that now. So that carries in a GLB format, which is really cool about GLTF. GLB format carries your model, it carries your textures, and it carries the animation data. What more can you ask for in a format? I mean, that is like, hello? That's literally so good. It's a goated format. It's the format of formats. For real, for real. For real. Okay. Cool deal. Now, before I do too much else, what else do I want to do? Okay, so I just built it and it did it. So add Kaiser animations. I'll commit it. So here's the thing. We'll trigger it on a click on Black Wolf rather than it automatically starting, which will we'll have it trigger by a click for now, but in the future we will replace it by a proximity. We'll have it click trigger now, but we can replace it in the future by a proximity trigger. Yeah, I think that's the simplest, best way to do it for now. I think that makes the most sense. I think that does make the most sense. That's the most sensical thing I can think of. What do I want to do? I want to... Okay, we need to push that. I need to open up my dialogue editor. Right? Where is that at? I need to duplicate my tab. Need to go... Assets? No. Tools. Dialogue editor. And actually my dialogue editor. Cool. We're locked in for real. Actually. No. Okay. Ho. What I need to do really, truly... All right. Well, let's get... Let me... What time is it? It's already... Ready, 9 o'clock. That's okay. But that's okay. Let me cook a bit here. What am I saying? Let me get the game up. We want to trigger it on Black Wolf. Basically, is what we want to do, really. So it will be a click on him. The question is though, when? Oh, you know what? Yeah, I just realized he should come in from outside and then... Yeah. Okay, cool. We'll do that then. Let me see. Let's load from slot tree. Okay. So currently that gets triggered on page 15 here. Black Wolf day 15. Black Wolf. I don't want this to trigger when day is 15. So we need to do, and Black Wolf day is less than 15. Okay, perfect. Yes. Yes. Because then we can do, what we can do here is add a page. Let's do a little bound paste. We just need 15. Oh, well, hold up, 14. Let me change that. That should be is less than 14. Less than 14. And then Black Wolf. Oh, we copied the wrong line. We need a Black Wolf line. Okay. So is once it's 14, it can trigger this one when you click on it. We're not gonna have it trigger him. We're gonna have it trigger the. Oh wait, sorry. No, it is Neuwolf that does get dialogue that does get triggered. So it would be him actually. So let me switch it back up. So day 14. Let me then save. Let me save this real quick and we'll play test. Gonna go assets, dialogue, save, move this over. We're gonna build. I think 26 live concurrents on YouTube is my record. Most people watching my streams. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So, what do we need to do then? We need to. Did I build it? I built it. So, because I built it, I now need to playtest it. And we can start it off at slot 3. Da, 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 da. Let's go in, let's trigger this dialogue, let's get it over and run with. Okay, if I go out here, I should be able to trigger. Okay, so I click here. Okay, good. So let me update a day 15 dialogue updates. And I also want to do an update here currently when the Finland Black Wolf and Olivia there and cover and outline, cursor, cover and outline, do not line up perfectly like with other animations. Try to move cursor slightly above for the outline to show and to be able to select character. Please look into what is forcing set for a quick time animation and see if we can take care of that, because if that would be pretty cool. Pretty cool. Hmm. Yeah, that's it. Let's see. Oh. Okay. So it's not what I do, is I only use the current GPU scheme to close the dialogue picking ready. Unanimated bind pose, triangles, idle oversticks. Rather dying moves the whole body away from that standing mesh. Yeah, I would not want a second animation system. Why would that even be needed? Like, okay, you know what I'm saying? Down. I'm gonna have to. Let's see. We're gonna have to return to title. We're gonna have to copy this dialogue. Basically, that's what we're gonna have to do. Yeah. What's gonna have to happen? Man. Man, oh man. Man, oh man, oh man. Let me push my latest save right here. Where is everyone on YouTube from? How did you all find this video? I'm curious, or this live stream, I suppose. Oh. Man, I'm getting slightly tired, but I'll keep on going. Getting some good progress here. Getting some progress. $28 live watching that now. That's a new record. Nice. Let me see. I don't know. Cool. Ooh. Let's see. I'll lift up my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? It comes from the Lord. I got some watermelon. While we're waiting for this fix. Then once the fix is in, I'll go ahead and update the dialogue. Make sure it matches our RPG Maker game dialogue. At some point I'm gonna have to hire someone to do Black Wolf's lines. Let's see, how do I do this? I want to do, please. Can I, on YouTube, how do I pin a please subscribe message? That would be kind of cool. Ooh. Yo, check this out, guys. 1 second. I'm gonna do something pretty cool, y'all. I think. 1 second. If I do this. Wait, I can subscribe to myself? I didn't know that. Wait, can I? Or is that just a joke? Jokerino? Is that a false hope here? Okay, hold up. Let me not accidentally end stream. Please subscribe. I can't hyperlink stuff. Can you? Can you? Hyper. I can. Okay. Oh. Well, we'll try this and see what happens. And then I need to fix it here so it doesn't. Okay, and then I will. Oh, I did it. And pin. We're gonna pin it. So now, bit being pinned. Help me get monetized, guys, on YouTube. That would be so cool. Oh, this is the lamest pin ever. I can't even. Whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. It's not like I wanted it. Oh, it's not like I wanted a sub anyway. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cool deal. The modified did compile successfully. Like, what is it? I don't know. Force skeletal poses now use CPU skin picking origin from the same animation as rendering, including pose and retain the cheaper existing path and the scratch storage piece. There's no recurring component come up. Oh, I'm not sure about this. So they can use it. Okay, go. Okay, well, this is not too bad. Work with these gems from the same as rendering. I know there's kind of visual command time. Full release still blocked by stalemate. No, it's not. Known pricks and big object. What? A debug fallback reached known pricks and big object limit for this oversized translation unit? Are you serious? That's crazy. That is crazy though. I'm not even going cap or lie. Or anything. Or anything. Sheesh. 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 Oh shoot, what is that? Okay. It's a good watermelon. It's a black watermelon, so sweeter. What's happening here, bro? Why is it? What's all these complaints? I don't have the game open, do I? No, I don't. Okay. That's weird. Alright. Fix the dying. Okay. I guess this is an important thing. GP cost is now, CP cost is off joints plus vertices. That might be quite a bit. I don't know. Only for clickable NPCs in forced animations. Ordinary idle walk picking remains unchanged. We'll have to inquire more about that. Determine, but let me check. Alright, let me just clean my screen. Alright. How we looking like? How we looking like? Alright. Okay. Oh, okay. It looks like it is fixed. No, never mind. It's fixed when... Wait, hold up. No, it's not. Yeah. Is O of joints plus vertices plus triangle, so maybe plus 30,000 plus 40,000 plus 10,000, so maybe O of 100,000, which I'm kind of getting up there, but only for clickable NPCs and forced animations. Yeah, what reason? It's not accurate, but I don't understand. Bro, why would you do that? I'm rebuilding the normal game executable, bro. It's not a normal event. That's good tea right there. Oh man. The actual match was CPU cursor rig. It was post kidding vortices. Are you kidding me? Fix reconstruct system anyway. Okay. Okay, well, I shall retest then. Okay. Let's see. Yep, it is accurate now. Too accurate. I'm kidding. Oh, I spoke too soon. It's accurate enough. Zoomed in, is it accurate still? Yeah. Okay. Okay, very swell, very well. Very well, very swell. So I think that's good. That's good enough. Same thing here. It's working now. Before it was kind of annoying. It's better now. If many animated NPCs become simultaneously selectable, use cached, skin BBHs or a GPU upgrading. Yeah, okay, I'll keep that in mind. It's not gonna happen though. Updated this, added reusable storage in this, and this removed recurring palette temporary allocation. This full ice. Very large numbers of yeah. One reusable CPU position. Picking now CPU skins NPC triangles with the same bone penalties used by rendering whenever forced posing. Okay. Procure to offsets and large hit spears vertex camera deep. Okay. Excessive okay. The picker previously tested this. I'm gonna pick an outline. Picker previously tested it. Yeah. Picking how to use one reusable CPU position, but probably 12 times the 12 times the vertex count the bytes with no recurring allocation. With no okay. One reusable CPU position buffer approximately 12 times the vertex with no recurring allocation after warm up. Okay. I guess it's fine. When is CPU? When is CPU? Also, let me look at the code myself here. Okay. Not too horrible. Like, it's a few lines. And when I mean a few lines, like maybe... Okay, maybe like 50 lines in game.cpp and in the skinning.cpp file. Just a few more. One, two, three, four. Okay, even less here, maybe 25. One, two, three. Okay. Okay. Fix NPC picking offset during dying animations. Use the animated skinned mesh for cursor picking instead of the standing bind pause. Instead of the standing bind pause, so hover outlines and clicks on it. The extra CP cost is active during world hover checks. Checks on items. The cursor doesn't need to already be over, then the game must go. The extra memory is allocated on first use and retained for reuse. Repeated allocations is retained for reuse. Roughly 12 bytes per vertex, avoiding repeated allocations. Yeah. It's not based on the... Well, yeah, I kind of got that based on the code. It's not based on animation. The expense I use whenever NPC is marked as a forced animation. So, any custom animation assigned by a dialogue. Any custom animation assigned by a dialogue is different. Normal wall. The cheap bind pause basis. What marks forced? Force animation is a runtime flag, not necessarily inside. I know that. It becomes true when dialogues through NPC to hold. True when dialogue to hold / use an animation. An NPC state even specifies an animation. What if If the dialogue script exists, those. Forced idle. I'm not sure I like that. Auto default turn on. Animation is auto default turn on. Okay. Weird. Okay. Fox Redux. Hi Gospel. I'm just lurking today. I'm working on my PC. Good luck with the game. Oh, nice. Good to have you here. Welcome. Hope you're having a good day and or good evening or morning. And hopefully good luck working on your PC. Hopefully everything's going good. Thank you for tuning in and lurking. Appreciate you. If the dialogue script extends, okay. Let's see. So I think what I want to do is, it's not based on the animations, namely the expensive that is used whenever an PC animation is marked as a forced animation. Thank you. Of course, thank you. Yeah, so I wonder, the thing is about the CPU. Okay, this CPU cost is a constant, or is a constant whenever the forced animation is active. Because if that is the case, I'm not. That's quite a price. That is quite the price. Yeah, okay, yes, well, I click the files for a second. Yeah, doesn't need to be ordered. NPC, it stops when the force is cleared. The NPC is hidden. Well, okay, so it is necessary, so let me commit it real quick and let's make an optimization. Yeah, okay. Okay, so permanent force. Can we? Well, how expensive is this realistically? Yeah, I guess they're about like 30,000 triangles, which vertices, I think vertex count would be more, wouldn't it? Isn't that just times 3, 90,000 vertices? I don't know. Let me see, because it says it here. See, I don't get it. Okay, like this one for example. Triangle count is 24,000, but vertex count is 12,000. I guess what are they counting as a vertex? A vertex is just a point, is it not? So there's like, yeah, something about that classification. Maybe I'm misunderstanding that, because that wouldn't make any sense. Huh. Okay, for the actual assets, yeah, triangles. Okay, Lydia has quite a few triangles. Triangle testing already happened before the specs. The addition cost is mainly skinning each vertex with up to 4 bones to calculate an animated bound. Estimated release build overhead on a modern desktop CPU. Roughly 0.1 to 0.4 milliseconds per hour check frame. That's not terrible. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. That's an estimate. The correct measurement CPU timer around. The entire frame budget is 16, yeah. So 1 or 2 4-story NPCs should be acceptable. 10 high poly forced NPCs would become concerning. Memories small and shared. And largest crunch buffer approximately. Yeah. Can fix it so we can mark which animations are forced. Let's just do dying as a forced thing for now. The rest normal. Infinity Loop song is from an anime. No, no, the song is just something I got from Suno, that music AI website. Yeah. Pretty sure if I did an anime song, I would get copyrighted. Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, yeah. The ultimate goal would be if we find someone that we can hire to write an anime song. That would be epic. But that would probably be super expensive too. These are far out goals. I'll separate the two meanings. Force animation will continue controlling scripted playback to sit pick. Okay, wait. Conditional scripted playback. While a new altered per NPC animation list will control the expensive, pause accurate picker. Oh no, yeah. Cool. The hot path improvement to CPU only removes the extra skidding work from a lot of force. Yeah. So I think that's the play here. That way It will be slightly more expensive for the raycasting on the whatever it's called on the hovers, or when you can hover on a dying animation, but that's on a super rare occasion. So for the most part, it will be on the cheap path. And on those scenes, nothing else expensive will be happening. So it's a good balance. Cool. The configuration change is being applied now. The new setting is pose accurate, pick and align. Does not change how animations play, only which clears up into so huh. Okay. I wonder, I'll have to see the cooking because we have a cook animation and I thought it did pick that correctly, but maybe it didn't. What? Oh, bot message. Oh, I just happened to see that by accident. Bad timing for you. Allow ChatGPT to run this command. Yes, you may run. The configuration change is being applied now. The new setting. Okay. Yeah, so this will be good optimization for this feature. Explicit. Although I can't speak. What time? 10:09. Yeah. And so. Yeah, I've probably got at least until 11. So let's see. Hopefully do this and then see if I can get Kaiser in the game. Yeah, let's see if we can get him in the game and then that'll be a good day. Okay. Only dying now uses pose accuracy if you skin picking, added a per NPC configuration entry. Let's see where that's added. Okay, so that is actually added in the interesting. So that's added in the dialogue text, but no, I'm cool with that. That's actually that's a good idea actually. Current behavior, right? Yeah. Future add another line or comma separated names. Additional skinny codes now occurs only while a marked animation is active and will. Yeah. 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 This is such a good improvement. Okay. Give me commit message for this. Okay. Dude, my chair is creaking. Okay. I had this for how long? Oh, since high school. Shoot. So 10, 12. What? At least 12 years? That's crazy. Okay. Let's see. Pose accurate pick anim names. That looks fine. Yes, pose accurate pick anims, and here it loads the actual. No, that size. Begin dot end. Yes, that Dun, 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 dun. Wait, what did it delete? Oh, what? Really? Spacing. Oh, and then we added this. Gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So, game CPP makes sense. Dialogue CPP. Pushback. Cool. So, only use animated NPC picking for marked animation. You only use animated NPC picking for marked animation. You only use animated NPC picking for marked that are defined in dialogue in default dialogue text file. Only use animated NPC picking for marked. Only use animated NPC picking for marked animations that are defined in here. Mark dying for accurate skinned picking while other animations. Yeah. I don't even need to check that. Okay, cool. Let's refresh this page. Let us do a couple other things at the same time. Okay, let's play tested. The fix should be in place. It just should be better in terms of optimizations. Okay, that's the wrong window. That's the wrong window. Oh, that's the wrong. That's fine. We'll just load it from here. We'll go to load tree. I was about to close that. We don't want to do that. Yep, it's working all right. It's zoomed in. Does it work? Yeah, if anything. Boom, shazam, bazam, bazoom, bazoom. Cool, I'd say that's a success. Let's load 2. I wanted to check because this is gonna have a different animation. This is the cook animation. Wait. Oh, I see. Yeah. So it doesn't pick up this. It's literally just the idle one, which is enough. Okay, so I'll ask one more question before I move on to the other one. But now, since I can't click it, I should be disabled too. I need to make sure that is the case. Let's put on the FPS HUD. Okay. Is the CPU cost also disabled if is in a dining pose but not clickable, like from the when however it won't outline and trigger a dialogue cause is not needed those times when no dialogue can be started. So yeah, this was the question I wanted to ask. Yes, if there isn't. Okay, cool. The addition CPU cost is disabled and oh, is false. Nice. As active lines, NPC is false. The ouch. The NPC is hidden or unavailable on the current map. The additional CPU cost is disabled when dialogue has active lines. NPC is false. The NPC is hidden or unavailable on the current map. The dialogue or another state disables world cover checks. The NPCs otherwise excluded from. Okay, my brain just died on me here. The additional CP cost is disabled when this is false, has active lines. When the NPC does not have any active lines. Good. The NPC is hidden. Good. Dialogue matchstick disabled. Solo tower checks. Good. And then it's otherwise. Okay, good. The reasons. That is good too. Okay, by design, but still has a condition matching dialogue line. The engine yeah. I mean, I don't know what condition that would arise under, but I suppose that makes sense. Okay. Was that the question I wanted to ask before we move on? Okay, yes, there was one other. Is this... Did you consider the best algorithms and data structures when doing this implementation or even caching, if that would even apply? Thinking as if from the standpoint of a senior AAA engineer. Okay, whatever. If we get a good answer here, we'll move on. Maybe. Oh, yes. But with an important distinction, in place the program for the current scale of 1 or 2 clickable story. It's not the final algorithm I would use for dozens simultaneously selectable. Okay. Animation names are resolved once during asset. Yes, stop. Okay, this is what's optimized. Data loads. One integer, so contiguous vectoring scan is cheaper than a hash table. Okay. Bone palette temporary arrays retain their capacity. No per frame heap allocations occur after warm up. Non-clickable dude. Non-clickable NPCs and unmarked animations can exit before non-clickable unmarked exit before skinning. Existing triangle picking work was already present. The added work is probably vertex skinning. Yeah, gotcha. Caching considerations. Cross-frame caching does not apply while dying continues anyway because the word sure. A terminal dying pose to be cached permanently. We're clamped at this final frame. Sure. I mean, it's clamped enough. Let's be honest, it's clamped enough. Same frame caching would prevent the click check. Same frame caching. Yeah, okay. The current shared scratch above internet work to permit storing of them. Okay. Alternatives consider the bind pose offset or non-shade is cheap but inaccurate, much cheaper but do not precisely match. Or much cheaper but do not precisely match the rendered silhouette. So I guess a couple things to keep in mind for the future. Future optimization note hint here. If this ever becomes a problem in the future, let's go with bone capsules um for skinning and NPC picking for dialogue clicks. Okay. Bind pose of such a much hit volume. Yeah, no. Bone capsules, I think, yeah, the better, cheaper alternative if we need to look into that. Refitted CPU BVH scales better for complex meshes. Okay, but rebuilding, refitting it every enemy. Yeah, no, we don't want to do that. Gives exact render is the best large scale upgrade, but it's another render path and potential on frame readback latency. No, I'm good. Keep this input. Yeah, add a profiling marker. Yeah, no, this is literally just right now dying animation, which is literally like a few minutes of the game. Let's not obsess over it, over something that's not even gonna have any impact. Okay, cool. It's as optimized as can be right now. We're chilling. Now, I was going to summon this new character, but we need to let's get a point place for him, just for funsies. Let's he does enter at some point, so let's get to where Black Wolf is so we can plan accordingly here. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Okay, so if he is here, I'll be on screen here. So he should enter from where? From here. From here. Let's do tag. No, route. He should come from here. 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 Let's do stop and copy. We'll test it out and see how that looks. Let's do Black Wolf. Let's do he does enter on a Neuwolf line, I think, after a bit. So we're gonna have to add an event with options, remove character along path. There's gonna be Kaiser. Oh, come on. Is it not there? It's gotta be there. I know it's gotta be there. Okay, for some reason, whatever. Blocking. Do we want it blocking? Yeah, we do want it blocking. Paste that in. His final animation is gonna be idle. We're just gonna come walking in. It's got a mean. Bro's got a mean idle animation. What is Black Wolf's animation? I forget. Not his animation, but his yaw. What's his yaw? AKA, what is his rotation? Final rotation. Let's yoink that, because I think we'll see. It's hard to get. We need to like add in a diagram here to get a better idea of what this actually visually is, because the 2.13 doesn't give me a good visual representation. Okay. He doesn't do any sits. We want him to fade in at waypoint 1, movement timing should happen after the dialogue finishes. Do we want him moving before the dialogue? Or after the dialogue? Let me think. He can move after. No. Yeah, he can move after. So let me think, because what's this before wait for arrival? So wait for arrival meaning he moves, and then when he reaches, then he speaks. And before dialogue start at waypoint means he starts speaking before he arrives at the final place. After dialogue line finishes, let's have him move. And let's have it blocking. But that should be set. No. Before dialogue, wait for arrival, and this should be a Kaiser line. This should be a Kaiser line. Kaiser. Hey, kid. You fool. I need to grab the actual line, but just as a test, let's do this. Now, character name ID, it's actually Kaiser. He has an idle, he has a walk animation, he has a sit. He does not have a sit animation, actually. But everything else he does have. Everything else he does have. Except he does not have an idle or portrait folder yet. Pick which portrait folder is loaded when a switch matches. Huh? I don't think. Okay, don't think I need that. Okay, so Kaiser, what did they say? Yeah. Moment. Okay, let's finish this up before I start getting too tired here. I need to add in a sprite at some point. Let's save this. Let me go ahead and save this. Boom. So we got this, not under animations. We need to save it under what? What? The fate. Assets. Dialogue. Okay, what? Yes, I do want to replace current dialogue. And here's building on the actual objects and stuff. Why? Doesn't need to do all that. Maybe just build all the objects. Oof, man. Oh, come on, what is this? It failed. Eesh. Come on, dude. Oh, with a user map. Could not run IO exception. Really? Fortunately. Well, let's see if this one goes through. If it doesn't, then I'm on it. Then I'm on it. Okay. Yes. Oh, dude. This is my brain right now. The game's open. No wonder it's gonna. I closed it. Thai red. Okay. Well, what a. Okay. Hopefully that should take care of that, and we can actually play test it. What am I play testing? Right, that. Oh, that it loads the character. Oh, come on. No need for intermediate. Just it should be able to compile fine without having to do all this unnecessary stuff, please. What's all this nonsense in my... Why is it so insistent? Man. Man. Let's see if I have any emails from. No, not yet. Long have I been live? 3 hours, 20 minutes. Okay. Try to do 20 more. Hopefully we can resolve this within 20 minutes. Screw it, I'll go until I resolve this, but hopefully 20 minutes should be doable. Okay. Yes, please remove all this temporary build nonsense. Okay, cool. Alright, go for it. Okay. So I should see a cleaner file structure here. Yeah. Okay. Now what is this? I don't need that, but fine, I'll take it. It's whatever logs. Now let's launch the game. And what should I forgot what was this? Okay, this was for the what's this fix for? Dude, I'm already I think it was literally just for the dialogue update to see the new monster NPC. If I said nothing should get triggered, right? Right, cool. Cool. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Oh, don't do that. It's because when I sat down it increased the variables, so then he doesn't trigger. We gotta fix that. But first, let's reload tree. I know what happened here. The set on a chair should only... It's this thing. Wait, it should only trigger when this is less than 14. Let's see. No, it doesn't even trigger it. Okay. Let me print the values. Why is this not getting triggered? Switches. Day. It's day 14. That's literally the only requirement. Okay, hold up. Wonder. No shot right there. Do I have to restart? Let's see. Okay, let's lock in and get this done. Oh, okay. So, something happened over here where it's not loading. Oh, because I changed. Oh, it changes it for all of them. Are you serious? Oh, shoot. I did not expect that. Wait, why was I doing this up here? As I literally only need to do that down there. Okay, hold up. We can fix this real quick through this here. What do I need to do? I need to do this. Add these two here. We were okay, by changing this, we literally changed the entire NPC black hole. We don't want to do that, so if I refresh, that should be fixed. Ah, okay, I see what was happening. So let's try this again. Right, let's see. Let's play test this. Oh crap. Why did it build it while it was open? Let me rebuild this now. Okay, let's restart. Here we go, load slot 3. Okay. Let's try this again. Yep. Okay, now when I go out, it should load just fine. Cool. And so what should happen here? First we should get his dialogue, and then after this we should get Kaiser entering. Well, okay, why did it do that? Oh, because I got it set twice. I got it set to blocking, so if I do... Wait. He didn't... Blah. He didn't even show up. Okay, maybe I need to change the approach here. Kaiser needs a different override. Okay, let's go assets, let's go dialogue, let's go save, yeah. Hold up, why did this not... Oh, because it's literally within here, I think. It might be that we have to actually add him as a character before it shows up. Not lucky.y on YouTube. Yo, hello, how's it going? How's your night going? Hopefully it's going good. Just doing some programming here, development on our game. Making some good progress tonight. We've added in a new character, a villain, Kaiser. And so we're loading in, trying to get a 3D model to load in the game. If you don't mind me asking, I'm curious. How did you find the live stream on YouTube? It says 20 watching, but I never get like a lot of people in the chat, so I'm always curious how you find my live stream. Well, same, I'm also doing some game dev. Oh really? Oh, that's awesome. What type of game are you working on? The moment event is resolved correct. It's resolved correctly syntactically, but its target does not exist. I searched game dev and pressed live. Oh, interesting. That's good information. Okay, interesting. Cool. I'm making a platformer. Ah, very nice. That's awesome. I wish you the best of luck. Maybe you can share once you completed your game or whenever. That's awesome. The runtime log confirms the exact failure target mode. Okay, yeah, so I figured. Yeah, so hopefully it adds it. Data on the Kaiser hidden on the this adds no Kaiser is not defined without changing the route to order and reloading. So then, it did not match. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So now I figured we need to actually add it as a character for it to, yeah, figures. And then on this we need to. Oh no, is it using fates? It's gonna look whack, but we'll fix that eventually. Oh yeah, and then we specify. Yeah, right. So we need to do a separate page for this, otherwise it's gonna get confusing if the character stuff and that's in the same page, because you specified a GLB file here. GLB, not the GLTF? I guess not. Okay. Cause the movement event targeted Kaiser, but no Kaiser NPC existed. Added Kaiser with Kaiser model, valid idle, walk animations, online and treatment until Black Wolf page 15 reveals info. Okay, this will be interesting. We haven't seen him in game, so either this will be totally cool or totally whack. Do you want to play it? Yeah, of course I would. I'd love to play it. Actually, you know what we should do? I should do a live stream where I play it. That would be cool. Do you have a page where I can like download it and stuff? I'll do like this weekend a weekend stream where I can play test it. That would be cool, dude. Okay, let's see. Start from slot 3. All right. Skip. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if we can get this to work. We can add in the rest of the actual dialogue and movement paths and whatnot. Let's see. The fire? Okay, it's paused. He should be coming over soon. Let's see. Okay, bro, should be punching his way over. Nah, he's way too small. We gotta increase his size. Yeah, There he is, dude. Okay, that's epic. That is epic. Yo, we gotta. There, nice. Bro, he's way too. He's the kid's size. We gotta increase the model size. Yo, okay, base. Nice. Okay, that's good. It is 11. We got a good, this is a good update. Let me commit. Let me stage the changes first here. What in the world is this zero check? Okay, generate stand custom build. Okay, give me a. Okay, it didn't do anything to the. Okay, so for actually creating the NPC, it literally just did that. Okay, the bare minimum based. So let's do this. Let's do. And we didn't do any game.cpp updates. This is literally just a. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got this. Okay. That's it. Day 15 dialogue updates. Introduce Kaiser. NPC. Yay. Let me commit that. Wait, not lucky. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Are you still here? Let me see, what else did I need to do? Okay, so this is good. That's what I wanted to do before I ended today. Let's see. Let me push this update so I don't lose that. Oh, I don't know why, but it's not letting me send the thing. I don't know if it's because of some mod thing or something. Let me see if there's something. Let's see. Can I? Channel activity. Oh, not messed around with any of this chat stuff. Let's see. What if I do? What if I add you as a kind of change channel? Let's see. What about this? Okay, I added you as a managing moderator. Try posting it now. I just added you temporarily. See if it lets you post it now. Otherwise, I have a plan B if that does not work. So do not worry. Okay, let's see. Search TickCon on itch.io. I'll do that. Fox Redux. I see you made it to the YouTube chat. Welcome. Nice. Alright, let's see. Click on HIO. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let me bring my browser. I'll do it right here actually. 2 words or 1 word? Tick on. Whoops. Wait, did I get it right? Tick. Oh, is it this? TAC80? No. I have not been on it. Well, I've downloaded games from HIO, but I'm not too familiar with navigating the platform, to be honest. Or just put this. Oh, okay, yeah. Let's see. Let me grab this. Copy link. Check. Okay. itch.io. Oh, why does YouTube do that? Redirect. 1 second. Alright. Here we go. Cool. Okay. Oh, okay. Nice. I think the music in the game broke, by the way. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me... How long is the game, by the way? Let me... Because I got my... Whoops. Desktop audio muted. Let me unmute it real quick. Change this. Put this here. Let's see, how does that sound? Let me listen to my stream, see if that... Just like 3 minutes? Okay, well, shoot, I'll play it now then. Let me see. Let's see, how do I do this? Is the... Okay, let me mute this real quick and let me check the volume on the live stream. Okay, it's not coming through. Let me increase it a little bit. Testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Okay, it's not coming through. Let me increase it a little bit. Testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Okay, I think we got it. Let me unmute the tab now. Well, actually, I can see on my OBS bar here, so it should be... Whoa. Okay, cool. Let's play. This is Tech by A_unrelated dev by notlucky.y from YouTube. Cool. Oh, that's a cool effect. Oh, so when I move around, the background changes. Nice. It's like a... Nice. Can I jump? Wait, let me... I got my own music. Volume is too high. Let me decrease that. Okay. Cool, I think Did I die the first time? Okay. Cool. Did you do all the art? Do I die if I jump on these rocks? No. Okay, cool. Magnet. Nice. A game by Unrelated. Nice. Whoops. Wait, I wasn't paying attention. Oops. Honestly, I've never been good at platformers. I remember I used to play what's it called, Geometry Dash for like a little while, and I was not good. I used to get so bad playing that because I just kept on dying all the time. No, this is really cool though. I like it. The background effects are really cool. Oh, dude, I almost made it. Nice. I present you an Amogus. Is that Amogus? Nice. Oh. Oh, what? I think it. Okay, let me turn that off. Cool. What is this? Is this character supposed to be like just like a human character, or is it supposed to be like any special type of character, or like? Yee. Wait, what? Oh, this is like one of those you have to fall down into the right location, right? Oh, that's really cool. I think that's really what's the word? Innovative. It's just a little guy. Gotcha. Nah, it's really cool how you did the animation. It definitely keeps you engaged. Wait, where am I? Okay. Gotcha. Cool. That's pretty much the end, by the way. Okay. Nice. That's awesome, dude. How long did this take you to make? Updated 19 minutes ago. Did you recently update this? That's really cool. I see you got several games too, it looks like. That's awesome. Like 2 weeks? That's awesome. That's a good game. Keep up the good work, dude. You're doing awesome. Let me switch back the music. Turn off the desktop audio. Here. 2 weeks. That's pretty good. Wow. What engine did you make to use that? Thank you. Of course. Yeah, no, stop by another time and Game Maker. Okay. Oh, okay, that's cool. I've seen that. I've used I haven't used Game Maker, but I've used like RPG Maker for one of my games. This is one of my RPG Maker games, which I'm basically now converting into custom engine. I'm making a 3D isometric RPG game, but yeah, no, stop by next time and we'll play another game if you want. But that's really cool. Okay. How long have you been creating games for? Okay. Awesome. Actually, here, let me bookmark the page. Cool. Okay. Let's see. So, okay, today was a pretty good day. We got some good updates in. Streamed for 4 hours, and today was a weekday, so we had work. So that's why streams a bit shorter today. I gotta get up in like 5 hours, so had to sleep in a bit. But let's see. Oh, 3 years, but I actually learned for a year. Okay, cool. That's awesome. Yeah. It's cool to meet other people making games too. That's cool. I haven't been streaming for really long, so I haven't really met a lot of people. So happy you tuned in and happy that you shared your game with me. I loved playing it, and hopefully you'll tune in for another stream if you see me online. And yeah. And if anyone else is watching, if you're on Twitch, please follow. If you're on Kick, please follow. If you're on YouTube, please like the stream. Please subscribe. Today is a weekday, so usually don't stream on weekdays. Usually I stream Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but it just depends on my schedule. I'll try if I can during the weekday, but that's not a guarantee. It's more of a rare occurrence. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday for sure. Otherwise, sometimes, rarely on weekdays. But yeah, we'll continue next stream, episode 31, with development of The Fate of Neuwolf. So appreciate everyone tuning in, especially Not Lucky and Fox Redux. Thank you guys, and I'll see you all next time.